Okay, let's see what happens here. If I can even make it up this hill. It's a steep one. Will the CST tire do it? And yes, I'm on a 2022 GPX Moto 450R, and if you're following along with the playlist, then you'll know that. If you followed my channel for a while, you'll know that. And this is the third GPX bike I've owned. Going to be running these out for A&M Moto Toys. Okay, Ridge Trail looks open. I don't know. Could be sketchy. Is it sketchy? It's a little sketchy. Oh yeah, for once I did not miss my turn. I'm the first on this one. Ridge Trail being the first. Oh. See, always miss this one too. Also, this trail is called Tree of Hannock. Well, I guess it has the spot on it that's Tree of Hannock. Gotta check it out. Gotta pay homage to the Hannock himself. And here it is. Okay, I'm stopped on an angle. There's the tree. Got a Christmas decoration. Got a letter E for Easy Trail. This is an easy hill. I don't know why people have trouble with it. Yeah, it's steep as hell. My balls want to crash into the tank little nozzle here. That just seemed wrong. But anyways, we'll leave that in. Why not? Okay, down the hill we go. Woohoo! Bye-bye, Tree of Hannock. I'm not gonna crash into you today. Woohoo! Got a little bit more rear brake left. A little bit more rear brake came back. It does need blood though, but oh yeah, up this and around. It's a sharp around. Whee! Gotta watch out for the cacti, or is it cactus? I don't know. I never know which one it is, but just watch out for the plants with the pokers, because man, they'll poke you worse than Brokeback Mountain on a Friday. Don't know what that means. Whoa! Oh my God, it stalled. Holy cow. Good view up here though. Wow, it's a good view up here. Ooh, 7, we're up to a whopping 7. I like to get around 30 and then do the oil change, kind of like I did on the 300. Put some decent heavyweight Rotella in it.